Diogenes, the Cynic philosopher of ancient Greece, made a potent statement: the foundation of every state is the education of its youth. The wisdom contained in this adage, which emphasizes the crucial role education plays in the development, continuity, and prosperity of a society, is timeless. Consider a state to be a structure. The cornerstone of a civilization is education, just as a building's foundation supports its entire construction. It serves as the foundation upon which the rest of a country is built. Diogenes' advice is applicable and simple to comprehend for the following reasons. Education gives people knowledge, and knowledge is power. People who have received an education in a state are more likely to have the knowledge, skills, and critical thinking abilities needed to make wise judgments. A healthy and democratic society cannot function properly without this understanding. Economic prosperity: education plays a crucial role in the growth of the economy. An educated workforce is more efficient, flexible, and creative. They promote economic expansion, draw capital, and open doors for both themselves and others. Social cohesion: education encourages a feeling of community and cohesion within a society. It fosters understanding, tolerance, and social cohesiveness when people from different backgrounds obtain a shared education. This in turn contributes to fewer disputes and divides within the state. Civic engagement: a highly educated population is more likely to participate in civic duties including voting, volunteering, and supporting social change. Education fosters a sense of duty to one's community and country. Innovation and development: innovation and development are fueled by the search of knowledge. Education increases a person's propensity to push the limits of science, technology, and culture, resulting in innovations that progress society as a whole. Personal fulfillment is another goal of education, along with personal development and state service. It enables people to live satisfying lives by enabling them to reach their potential, follow their passions, etc. Defending against ignorance: Diogenes' assertion also contains a caution. A society can suffer from ignorance. Without education, ignorance, superstition, and prejudice can flourish, which weakens the state by causing disputes and divisions. Future investment: educating the next generation is an investment in the future. The ideals and information established in young brains determine the state's course for future generations. This wisdom exhorts communities, governments, and policymakers to emphasize education. It needs sufficient financing, qualified instructors, readily available learning materials, and inclusive curricula. It also underlines how crucial it is to treat teachers with respect and foster an atmosphere that values education.